Hello, this is Robbie Dodenbeer, and I'm going to demonstrate the Enhancement 3 activities. To start off with, I'm going to show my left nav. As you can see, when I hover over it, it is now using the action. So this means it is pulling in the left nav via the database query. To start off with, I'm going to click on the My Account. This is going to take me to the login page. I can click on create. Looking up at the URL, just identify this is pulling in from acmeindex.php with an action of my account. If I click on the create account, that actually now redirects to the accounts folder, index.php action equals create account. And you can see this page loads just to show the HTML. I'm going to copy and paste this into a validator. Check. As you can see, that's all green. I am using this CSS file here, so I'm going to put this in my CSS checker. And again, all green. I'll go back, click on my account. This takes me back to the login page. I'm going to, again, view page source. Close that one out. Throw this one into the validator. Check. Green. I click on this CSS, pretty much similar to the last CSS, but slight changes. Check, and green. So this does work across the board. I can come back to the home page. All looks good. Click on my account, click on create account, and this does work nicely. That's the end of my video. Thank you.